Hi, my name's Seb and this is my son Kenji and we're from Brunswick, Victoria. It was a big decision to purchase an e-bike and I wanted to buy an e-bike that would offer me the best of everything. We got in contact with Joe. He was fantastic. His excellence in customer service and follow-up from the start of the transaction to the delivery of the bike was perfect. We couldn't fault it. In terms of drop-offs for school and pick-ups for school, in the morning we can time our trip perfectly. We know that if we need to get him to school at 20 minutes to 9, we can leave perfectly at 20 minutes past 8. We don't hit any traffic lights, we take the shared pathways and we can drop him off on time.
Like no traffic stops.
Completely cut our expenses into 1/8 of what they were. If you minus the cost of fuel, if you minus the cost of the wear and tear on a car, the insurance is part of our home and contents insurance and it was an affordable $110 a year to fully insure the bike. It's saving us time, it's saving us money for parking. I mean, we sold our car. We don't even have a car anymore. No, we don't need it. Having a young family, I would definitely recommend to any other young family to purchase an e-bike, and I would definitely recommend them to purchase an e-bike from Electric Kicks. Thank you, e-Kicks, for giving our family a great e-bike to get around on.
We love